Welcome back to the channel. If you have been searching for the best LED poster screen, you are in the right place. Let's compare the top contenders to help you decide. Product number 1. RAYHOME Scrolling Huge Bright Advertising LED Signs. First up, I are looking at a masterpiece of engineering that perfectly holds its ground. I am talking about the RAYHOME Scrolling Huge Bright Advertising LED Signs. The physical construction is nothing short of spectacular, perfectly combining aesthetic elegance with industrial strength sturdiness. It dramatically outpaces standard expectations, tackling complex and demanding tasks with absolute ease and zero lag. It brilliantly avoids unnecessary visual clutter, focusing entirely on a minimalist elegance that enhances core functionalities. You can confidently trust this device to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. You do not have to break the bank to get your hands on this. Check out the link below to see today's lowest price. Backed by over 2,862 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5. Proving its tremendous mass appeal. It phenomenally bridges the gap between premium quality and sensible everyday practicality. Product number 2. GYUEM Bright Large Programmable LED Sign. Shifting our focus, here is an extraordinary alternative that brings massive value. I am talking about the GYUEM Bright Large Programmable LED Sign. The sleek aesthetic is perfectly matched by its heavy-duty architectural design, ensuring zero compromises. Its core engine is highly optimized to provide maximum efficiency, allowing you to achieve professional-grade outcomes. It is packed with smart, quality-of-life enhancements that you rarely see, heavily elevating the overall user experience. Engineered for ultimate stamina, it effortlessly keeps up with your continuously evolving and demanding everyday needs. It frequently goes on massive seasonal sales, so I highly recommend tapping the link below to verify the current price. Backed by over 1053 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It phenomenally bridges the gap between premium quality and sensible everyday practicality. Product number 3. CReaper Brothers Holographic Rear Projection Screen with Mounting Hardware. Up next, I are looking at another brilliant piece of engineering that holds its ground. I am talking about the CReaper Brothers Holographic Rear Projection Screen with Mounting Hardware. You will instantly notice the stunning attention to detail. It feels incredibly solid, giving off a highly premium vibe. When it comes to performance, it solves common frustrations effortlessly, providing an incredibly smooth and versatile experience. You will instantly appreciate the highly responsive and user-friendly control scheme that puts you completely in charge. The built-in stability offers immense peace of mind, freeing you from the burden of frequent technical resets. Get the absolute maximum value for your hard-earned money by monitoring the live price via the link in the description. Backed by over 1,001 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.3 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Grabbing this option is a foolproof strategy for an instant upgrade, so do not let it slip past you. Product number 4. GYUEM 20 feet Inflatable Portable Projector Movie. Now, I want to turn your attention to a truly magnificent item that is a massive fan favorite. I am talking about the GYUEM 20 feet Inflatable Portable Projector Movie. It is abundantly clear that longevity was a primary focus. The sturdy foundation provides an immediate sense of reassurance. Diving into functionality, you will be blown away by how consistently it delivers top-notch results without skipping a beat. You will instantly appreciate the highly responsive and user-friendly control scheme that puts you completely in charge. The completely frictionless upkeep process actively removes the traditional ownership headaches associated with similar devices. Instead of guessing the cost, you can instantly see today's best deal by clicking the direct link provided down below. Backed by over 979 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Grabbing this option is a foolproof strategy for an instant upgrade, so do not let it slip past you. Product number 5. Sachie 5800 Lux High Brightness Multi-Panel Sink LED. Next up, I want to introduce a phenomenal choice that really caught my attention. I am talking about the Sachie 5800 Lux High Brightness Multi-Panel Sink LED. Right out of the box, the premium craftsmanship shines through immediately, ensuring it will last for a very long time. It effortlessly glides through demanding workloads with remarkable speed, leaving almost all competitors completely in the dust. The manufacturer clearly prioritized maximum user comfort and accessibility, placing controls in the most natural locations. It boasts an incredibly solid track record regarding long-term reliability, actively minimizing the risk of sudden breakdowns. Instead of guessing the cost, you can instantly see today's best deal by clicking the direct link provided down below. Backed by over 691 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.2 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It provides a masterclass in combining functionality with design, earning my highest recommendation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. All the links for the products mentioned are in the description below. See you next time.